After a temporary delay, the plan to take down a Confederate monument in Dallas moves forward tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'm Cynthia Izaguirre. John is off. A judge dissolved the temporary restraining order that had stopped the statue's removal. The sons of Confederate veterans had requested the restraining order in an effort to keep the Robert E. Lee Monument in Lee Park in place. News 8's David Goins live tonight at City Hall with how the process moves forward from here. What's next, David?
Well, Izzy, this is moving on two fronts. Believe it or not, public comment is welcomed on the future of all Dallas Confederate markers and memorials. That's actually happening at the top of the next hour here at City Hall. Meanwhile, that Lee statue at Lee Park will be removed. The question now is when. You are looking at a live picture of the Lee statue there in the Turtle Creek neighborhood. Unlike this time yesterday, there are no straps around that statue attempting to hoist it away. In his ruling this afternoon from the bench, federal judge Sidney Fitzwater said that the plaintiff, the sons of Confederate veterans, did not show a likelihood of succeeding with their case going forward, and that actually is required to keep a temporary restraining order in place, which brings us back to, with again all the legal hurdles to clear, when will Dallas move to take down the statue? Well, City Council member Dwayne Caraway talked about that uncertain timing ahead, but not before a man who claims to be Lee's great-great-grandson expressed his frustration.
We have taken that statue from the citizens of Dallas, and what they've done with it is they are stealing it right now as we're standing here.
We will respect both sides and all opinions, and we will take our time and do it correctly, and we'll hope that everyone will stand by and understand that this is the proper and the right thing to do.
Again, Caraway did not answer the direct question of when the statue would be taken down, so we'll have to see how that progresses. The judge did add that the plaintiffs' due process rights were not violated because they had a chance to speak to City Council before they voted 13-1 yesterday to remove the statue. And again, the democratic process continues, according to the judge, as the mayor's task force on Confederate monuments meets this evening and accepts public comment at 6 o'clock. We'll be here to see how many show up. Live at Dallas City Hall, David Goins, Channel 8 News.
Sounds good. Thank you, David. And of course, we will be monitoring what happens at Lee Park, and we'll let you know when that monument comes down, if it does. Follow us on Twitter at WFAA Channel 8 and always get the latest on WFAA.com.